explaining and the understanding of a point of view, a point, something that could point you in a direction that which is in view. That which you can see. So that's perception in view. Your When you find an understanding, perception, it becomes your perspective, your point of view. It says, on the other hand, trying to argue in the best of ways or compete in the best of ways. It is the protection of women and children. But it is the protection of not minimizing one's options. You compete in the best of ways by not allowing anyone to minimize your options. On the other hand, it is defined as a figurative. You see in the word fig, but figurative is like trying to figure out something, one's imagination, figure out what something equates to. And there you have the math. Someone says, gives me imagination over knowledge. And I am an imagination, an age of a nation. But the figurative use, the term itself, the proverbial phrase, on the other hand, or points of view, 2 points of view, one hand and the other hand. The use of it, the figurative use of the literal sense, something that is literal. Someone says that a civilized society is a literate society. The literal use out from 2 hands, 2 options, 2 opinions. It is an offering. Something or someone is offering you 2 options. What is happening here is that someone is minimizing your options, and they are referencing to a physical attribute of humans, 2 hands, that which we have at our disposal in the use of our hands. The options, they differ one from another. So is it so that this teaches us to focus on the differences rather than the similarities? Because you're weighing something in the balance. And what does it equate to? Well, it's associated once again to perception, one's imagination. Because vision stems from the source of one's thinking. What you vision, what you envision for yourself, and what you envision for the world. How do you compete in the best of ways? But not minimizing or allowing someone to minimize your options, that's how you compete in the best of ways. There's always more than two options. You do have two hands, you do have two eyes, you do have 2 feet. But that is just for your body. You have a left hemisphere and your right hemisphere. That is on your body. But in this universe, there are many names of cities, countries, and people, which shows you that our options should be not minimized to just two, but a variety of options. People know that when they possibly have obtained more education and more wealth, that it broadens their perspective, and their options are not minimized and determined and controlled by others.